Before getting into the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video.
So far, after defining a function, either we used the return or the print semantics. What is the difference between this print or the return semantics? It is that print just shows the human user a string representing what is going on the inside of the computer. The computer cannot make use of that printing. Return is how a function gives back a value. This value is often unseen by the human user, but it can be used by the computer in further functions. Let us say we have a function which we define as def add 2, and inside it we have two arguments, which is a comma b then colon, and we'll return the value a plus b, that is the sum of these value. Now let us call this function. So in the next line we'll write add 2 5 comma 5, and now we must get the output as 10, right? So let us try to execute this and see, we are getting nothing, but yeah, this is the correct code. This is because the function is returning some value or something, but now what we can do here is we can either print it or we can store this value in some another variable. For now, let's say print this. So we'll write print add to and inside it the arguments or the parameters. And now let us run this, and here we get 10 as the output. Now it is not necessary to use return after defining a function. So in our case, we can use print instead of writing return. So it will print the value. In the previous case, it was just returning the value. That was, it was not showing us on the screen, but this print function will allow us to see the value on the screen. So we'll use here print then a plus b, and we'll use parenthesis because print is written that way. Now let us call the function and write add to 5 comma 5 again, and now let us run this and see what is the output. So here we have 10. So this is how print and return works. And now you must be wondering that which one is the correct way to use. Is it the print semantic or the return semantic? So let me clear you that when we use return, we are not printing every time. So there might be functions where we don't need to print something. So in that case, we would be using return. So it is more appropriate to use return instead of using print sometimes. So it all depends on what type of function you are having or what function you have declared. But in majority of the cases, it is better to use return. So we will be using return only, and I do recommend you to use return after the function. And if it is a function related to some printing process, then in that case you can use print function, but try to use return in more cases.
If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.